Hi everyone, welcome to one of the most incredible cities in Germany, Dresden. Dresden is a pretty big city. It's the capital of Saxony. It's 338 square kilometers wide and more than 550,000 people live here. Are you a newbie at the university, an exchange student, or just a tourist willing to discover this astonishing city? But you have no idea about how to move across Dresden, right? This video tutorial was made for you. As the majority of the inhabitants of Dresden, we believe that the best way to explore the capital of Saxony is using the public means of transport, which are also an eco-friendly alternative to private cars to discover the Florence. Here we have selected for you 4 different mobility services that will let you experience the city at its best. And it is first, DVB, second, Lime, third, Flixbus, and the last, Deutsche Bahn.
The Dresdner Verkehrsbetriebe, also known as DVB, is the municipal transport company of the city of Dresden. The DVB public transport network carries more than 5,000 passengers per day. What a great number! DVB offers 4 main transport solutions, in particular 12 tramway routes, 28 bus lines, 2 funicular railways, and 3 ferry routes, which I think are a great way to cross the Elbe River. The public transport network in Dresden is particularly complex and widespread. To orientate yourself in it, the app DVB Mobile will help you find the best route for your destination. Download it for free. Browsing the DVB application, you will have access to all the timetables, which are also available at any tram or bus stop. Buying a ticket is very easy. DVB offers in fact many ways to get a ticket. You just have to choose your favorite. You can purchase your tickets at the customer service offices situated in Pragerstraße and Wienerplatz, using the automatic ticket machines which are available at bus and tram stops and on board of trams and buses, in one of the 40 agency sales points in Dresden, or downloading the DVB Mobile or the FairTick app, which are available for iOS and Android. But how much does it cost to use the public transport in Dresden? Ticket fares depend on the number of tariff zones crossed during your journey, and prices start from €2.50. 1 day, 1 week, and 1 month passes are also available and will let you save some money. Here's a short overview of the DVB's ticket price list. If you're a student at any university in Dresden, your ride on the public transport operated by DVB will be always for free. In this case, a student ID card plus an official proof of identity will count as a semester ticket. In other words, a valid student ID plus your proof of identity will be your free DVB ticket.
Now we can talk about Lime. What is it? Lime is an international electric scooter and bike sharing startup. It was born in 2017 and it wants to provide an accessible way of transport to help people to get around the city. How does it work? It is necessary to download the app from Apple Store or Play Store. Using the GPS of your phone, the Lime app finds the closest scooters available near your position. Before starting the ride, it is necessary to supply the payment information and then scans the QR code on the vehicle to unlock it. In this way, the trip can start. After your arrival, it is required that you park the Lime scooter in the correct zone that you can find on the Lime's app. Immediately, the trip price are added to your credit card. How much does it cost? There are different flat rates that would change in other city. In Dresden, you will pay €1 to unlock the scooter plus €0.26 for every minute of use. If you use a Lime scooter, you can select an easy way to move around Dresden, reducing the traffic congestion and the carbon emission for sure.
Hello everyone, now I will introduce the Flixbus. Flixbus is a German brand that offers intercity bus service in Europe, North America, and Brazil. Flixbus offers over 400,000 daily connections to over 2,500 destinations in 35 European countries. Here is the map. Passengers can choose from France, the Netherlands, Switzerland, Germany, Italy, Sweden, Denmark, Luxembourg, Australia, and many more countries. Where can we buy tickets? The ways to book are cheap are using Flixbus app on smartphone or in website. Our ticket is sold under My Tickets. Present the ticket on phone when you're getting on the bus. The Flixbus app, just like when booking the website, gives passengers access to Flixbus cheapest tickets. We will also receive our booking confirmation by email. Besides, we can also find the sale point of Flixbus shop here. Service people on site offer the same traffic that we can find on the Flixbus website, plus the possibility to pay in cash. Reselling agencies might charge an additional fee. At Flixbus shops, we also can pay in cash for the daily offered rate, plus a service charge per booking. If there are free seats available, we can buy a ticket from the bus driver. So, the most important point is here, what is the ticket cost? We can explore Europe from just €5. The cost depends on the length of the line. In Germany, generally no more than €30, and the earlier you buy the ticket, the cheaper the price. Compared with the train, Flixbus is cheaper. For example, the bus fare from Dresden to Düsseldorf is €27 on January 24th, while the train fare is €90. And there are many payments. We can pay through the credit card, for example, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, PayPal, and Google Pay.
Hello everyone. I would like to introduce you one of the mobility services, Deutsche Bahn.
The first question is about how to buy train tickets in Germany. You have two main options. You can either book your ticket online or at the train station. When book a ticket online, you can print out the ticket yourself. Be sure that you print it at 100% so that the scanner can read the QR code on your printout properly. At the train station, look for the ticket counters in the high-resistance room or the red ticket machines. Seat reservations are only necessary on ICE trains and can be purchased together or separately from the ticket. Reservations cost around €3 each.
The second question is how many ticket types you can choose. There are so many different types of German rail tickets. The first one is FlexFare DB ticket. This ticket is going to be slightly more expensive than the Saver fare because it allows for, well, more flexibility. The Flex ticket allows you to choose your train, your destination, your times, without needing to specify it on the ticket. What that means is that if you know you want to leave on October 12th, but have a city tour in the morning, but you don't know exactly what time you will make it to the train station, This ticket allows for the flexibility to grab whatever train is running closest to the time that you simply arrive at the German train station. The second one is Saver ticket. This ticket is going to be cheaper than the FlexFare DB ticket. When you go to book, you will need to specify exactly what time you want for departure and will book a specific train. The last one is Regional Lunch ticket. This ticket is just for one particular state per ticket. For example, we use a buy-in ticket all the time and it takes us anywhere we want to go in, well, Bavaria. Here are the different states that offer their own regional tickets. Each state of Germany is going to have slightly different rules and the prices vary. But in general, here's what to roughly expect from a land ticket. These are day passes that are good from 9 a.m. to 3 a.m. the following morning. The tickets are good for almost all regional public transportation in that German state, but does exclude long-distance trains, such as ICE, EC, and AC trains. You can have up to 4 or 5 people on a ticket. The last question is about discount. There are several DB discount card options. If you buy the Bahn card 25, it costs €56.9 for the second class or €115 for the first class per year, and get 25% off all Saver and Flex tickets. It's great for the occasional traveler. If you choose to buy the Bahn card 50, it costs €234 for the second class or €474 for the first class per year, and get 50% off Flex tickets and 25% off Saver tickets. It's ideal for regular travelers. If you decide to buy Bahn card 100, you need to pay €4,144 for the second class or €7,010 for the first class per year, and you can travel unlimited in Germany. It's perfect for frequent travelers. This is a fantastic option for short-term travelers, as you can choose a trial period of only 3 months for any of the above-mentioned discount cards. Prices start at only €17.9.
Finally, we hope that you have enjoyed our presentation, and we wish you a pleasant stay in Dresden.